how to fix Valorant to build of Vanguard error easy and quick. If you want to fix it, first just type here device manager, and then just click display adapters, right click on your GPU and click update driver, and after that type here policy and click edit group policy. And now once you're here, now click administrative templates, click here, and then click here Windows components here, and here we'll find BitLocker, click on it here, and now operating system, click on it, and then you will find this one. Wait, here is it. Require additional authentication at startup, right click edit, and then make sure to select enable it, apply and OK, and that's it. After that just run Valorant as an administrator, and that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.